Hello, my Style Squad angels. What's up? Welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to talk to you about 5 ways that you can make your outfit pop or to make your outfit look more put together. If you like this video while you're watching it, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that little red subscribe button down below. And don't forget to come and join the Style Squad membership where I am doing monthly trainings. I'm giving style challenges, outfits for every single body type, stylist picks, self-love tasks, all sorts of amazing things. Please go ahead and check it out with the link down below. Now, I wanted to do this video because I think all of us out there are always looking for ways that we can elevate our looks, make it look a little bit more put together, make it look fresh and modern, and just really make our outfit pop without having to do a whole lot, especially in the morning when we're in a rush and we're just trying to get out the door and get on with our day. So I wanted to cover some simple things that you can incorporate into your look at any time to help elevate and make your look more chic. My first tip in making an outfit pop is to cuff. This is a really easy thing that you can incorporate into any piece of clothing and make it look a little bit more polished and make it look like you put a lot more thought into your outfit. What I love about this is you can cuff your denim jeans and give it a little bit more of a preppy twist when pairing it with something as simple as sneakers, or it gives this really cool, casual, laid-back feel when you're doing it with a pair of heels. Or you can add a cuff to some of your fitted trousers, or perhaps you could add a cuff to a blazer, especially if they've got a really interesting lining. I always think that looks really beautiful to have that pop of the lining just slightly showing on the cuff of the blazer. It looks gorgeous, and again adds that kind of quirky, preppy sort of feel to a look. Or if you just want to look a little bit more put together, adding a cuff to something as simple as a blouse, or even cuffing the sleeve on a t-shirt looks really beautiful as well. Sometimes it can look a little bit more slimming on the arm to have that nice diagonal cut to things, but a cuff anywhere you can put on an outfit or on any garment, to me, instantly makes the outfit pop a little and also makes it a little bit more put together. The next way to make an outfit pop is with a statement shoe. Now, I know all of us have dressy shoes hanging out somewhere at home, whether we wore it for a wedding or maybe we have this fabulous printed shoe that's been collecting dust somewhere in the corner. I do think it is a great wardrobe essential to have is a nice statement shoe, whether it's in a fabulous pop of color like red or hot pink or some kind of neon color, any color, maybe a cobalt, let's say, for example, or maybe a really good printed shoe, or maybe a blingy shoe. Any of those pieces can instantly be paired with something as simple as jeans and a t-shirt and instantly transform that whole look. Or if you're someone that's a really big neutral lover, let's say you're wearing all black or all white, or you're like monotone, you're wearing all kind of gray shades or whatever kind of color you want, adding that statement shoe, whether it's a print or a beautiful bold pop of color, can instantly take that outfit up a notch and really gives a beautiful dynamic to your look. The next tip to making your outfit pop is a bold lip. Now, you guys hear me talk about this trick all the time because I love it so much. So let's say you're having a busy, crazy morning, like most of us, and you just don't want to fuss with makeup in the morning, or maybe you're wearing a really simple outfit and you don't really know how to take it up a notch. Adding a beautiful bold lip, whether you're going for something really vibrant and bold or whether you want something that's really dark and crimson, can instantly transform your look, and it adds that really nice, beautiful polish. So again, even if you're wearing something incredibly simple, let's say you're wearing black jeans and I don't know, some kind of very simple top, maybe just a simple camisole, adding that beautiful bold lip will instantly make it look a little bit more polished, and again, it makes your whole look pop and look really modern. Now, one of my favorite ways to make an outfit stand out is to mix levels of dress in your closet. I love taking really casual pieces, like let's say distressed denim, for example, and pairing that with something really dressy. So if you have a lace top, maybe pair that lace top with the distressed denim, right? Or take something like a pencil skirt, which you would traditionally think of for business, and pair it with sneakers and a t-shirt, or maybe a trouser that you would wear for work, and pair that with some street style sneakers and a baseball cap and a denim jacket, right? That juxtaposition between those levels of dress is what's going to give some interest to the outfit. It makes it really interesting to look at, and again, from an outsider, makes that look pop. And the last tip I have to making an outfit pop is to play with texture. This is a huge one to add a really fabulous modern twist to your look. I love mixing different textures that you have in your closet. So because we're approaching autumn, maybe you take a really beautiful sweater and you could mix that with an evening piece, let's say a leather skirt, for example, or a sequin skirt. That, again, the juxtaposition between the two will make the outfit look a little bit more dynamic. It looks really fresh. And again, it's something that makes your outfit stand out and give that really beautiful pop to any look you put together. Anyway, my angels, that is it for this video. Short and sweet, but I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and hit that little red subscribe button down below. And for those of you that have been asking about my stylist training, the registration for those classes is now open. Classes will begin on September 17th, but again, you can register for the class now. I will leave the link down below in case any of you are interested. And other than that, my angels, I love you to the moon and back, and I will see you again very soon. Mwah.